Today, I want to talk about hard money financing, a super creative way for fix and flip investors to build wealth through real estate with little money out of pocket by creating forced appreciation on distressed properties and/or properties that have an opportunity for value add to bring them to market value. A lot of big words, but I'm going to make hard money super easy with an example yesterday on a client I was working with. So a client wanted to purchase a property in Philadelphia for $150,000. It was a distressed piece of real estate, but there was other properties in that neighborhood selling for $350,000, right? So there's a gap. Piece of real estate needs work, but every other property around it selling for $350,000. The client knew that he needed to put about $100,000 into that property to bring it to market value, and he wanted to know what were his financing options. So property costs $150,000, total renovations are $100,000, so he's all in at $250,000 to execute this project. Well, with our hard money financing options, I was able to get him approved with only 10% down on the total cost of the loan, purchase price plus renovation. He's gonna bring $25,000 to closing and be able to flip this property in 60 days, making interest-only payments until it sells for a $100,000 profit. Shout out to my boy TJ Riley over at New Western. They have an incredible marketplace for investors that have the experience either on the construction side or the right team of subcontractors to go out and execute on these flips. Would love to be a resource. Any questions on hard money, shoot me a DM. Hope you have a great day, blessed week, and let's go.